After 5 long years, Toy Train Jungle Safari resumes under PPP model. DHR announces new plans for tourists.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, फर्स्ट टाइम सफर, बहुत मजा आ रहा है हम लोग को, फर्स्ट टाइम सफर कर रहा है अभी, हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
After a gap of 5 long years, the Toy Train Jungle Safari has resumed under the PPP, Public-Private Partnership model. The relaunch of this special service by the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway (DHR) authorities has brought joy to the tourism sector.
पिकनिक मनाने जा रहे हैं हम लोग, पहली बार जा रहे हैं टॉय ट्रेन में घूमने, तो बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है. और आप
फर्स्ट टाइम
एंजॉय कराएंगे. हाँ, फर्स्ट टाइम जा रहे हैं.
कहाँ से आए आप लोग?
सिलीगुड़ी से.
According to officials, the Jungle Safari will primarily operate on Saturdays and Sundays. The safari will run from Siliguri Junction to Gumbadi. During the journey, tourists will be able to enjoy the thrilling ride on the traditional toy train, along with the scenic views of tea gardens, the beauty of the hills, and the local culture. The main aim of the Jungle Safari is to provide tourists with a unique experience of hills, nature, and folk culture. Private company head Sanjay Goswami mentioned that breakfast will be provided to tourists at the start of the journey. Upon reaching Gumbadi, a special picnic has been arranged for the tourists. Additionally, the popular traditional Darjeeling dish, momos, will also be available. DHR Director Risabh Chaudhary stated that in this tourist season, not only the Jungle Safari but several new safari services are planned to further attract visitors. Moreover, 15 new toy train engines will be introduced, with special emphasis on maintaining passenger safety and service quality.